Okay, back to Frank's barn. Here we go. That's a 88 Olds Holiday Super 88 convertible. Yes, it is. He's got all the parts for this. So I'm just going to do a brief introductory on that because I have other videos on that. The 68 on the right's not for sale. See, all these parts pretty much are. We got 49 Cadillac over here, chop top, project car, but pretty cool, no rust. Been sitting here at least 30 years since he chopped the top on it. I kind of like this car, but you can't get in here to see it too well. 67 Cutlass there, Cadillac convertible there. But let's move on to the parts. Parts everywhere. So some of them are kind of categorized. We got most of these shelves here to the left are StarFire parts, tail lights, convertible snaps. We sold most of the complete ones, but you might be able to piece a few together. Convertible framing, 394 bare heads, magnafluxed. You need to put the valves and everything in them. Got all these. These body parts, air filters, grills, quarter windows. Really nice, some really nice hubcaps that are clean. Vent windows. These are all StarFire parts for the most part over here. And your steering wheel. Out in there. I'll pull that out later. Tri-power, that's for 371. That's not StarFire. I'm gonna put it up there. We got a hood. I believe we got a StarFire fender. Actually, I have two of them. That's in really good shape. Some more StarFire parts. Convertible clip downs, trim, windows, consoles, convertible framing top. We have a few of those, but your aluminum front cans. Here we go to the Cadillac section. You may recognize some of this stuff. You may need it, I don't know. Got ashtrays. I haven't even started on this, so I would like it if, I know it's not the greatest video because we're in a barn, but we have trim, radios, looks like a steering box. Looks like another tri-power for a 371. I know that's not a Cadillac. That's some StarFire stuff. Let's see. That looks like Rams. Probably StarFire. Could be wrong there. Got some air filters. Dashboards. Yep. Sorry about not getting to this stuff, but I don't have any more room to pull it all out. Sold quite a bit. And this is just one little section. We got some bumpers up here on the third level. Some Cadillac bumpers. Miscellaneous, probably Pontiac bumpers. So, I believe these are some more Olds doors. Another convertible framing for StarFire. Way over in the corner there, some more consoles, side trim there, grill. So you see all sorts of stuff. So tell us what you want for your StarFire, Cadillac, Pontiac. We may have it. It's not his only location for parts, cars. He's got some more cars he's going to put on soon. So that's my video for today. Looks like some Cadillac hubcaps. I believe all that's Cadillac trim. Really not sure what year. Over and out.